Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really easy way to have your stories pack that powerful punch. It's a way to really make the reader feel like they're right there with the character in the story. Are you ready for it? Believe it or not, just a simple change like writing in present tense can add a sense of urgency to your story and suspense. That's what you want. Take this sentence, for example. Now, by itself, it's an okay sentence. There's nothing really wrong with it. But if you look at it, it doesn't seem eerie. If you were to put it, say, at the last line, as the last line of a chapter or as a story, it would just be okay. Not necessarily wrong, but not the most suspenseful or eerie thing ever. But take a look at this sentence in present tense. See the difference? See, if you write a lot of stories that include action or even a lot of stories that have feeling and emotion, and you want the reader to be right there with you in the moment as they're reading, present tense is the way that you want to go. Now, this trick isn't for everybody, and a lot of people find that after writing in present tense, they just plain don't like doing it. That's okay too, but part of being a good writer is to try different styles, is to experiment, is to revise. So if you have a story and it's just not capturing the reader like you think it should, try writing that story over, or at least a chapter or a portion over in present tense. See if you like it. If you like it, change your whole story to that. It's all about experimenting and revising to become a better writer. Alright guys, it's about time for me to get out of here and go do some exercise, get moving. I can't sit in front of the computer too long. But I hope that you found this tip immensely helpful. Let me know if it helped you by making a comment, send me a message, anything. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on writing, or about writing rather. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.